That lasted for about a month with me before it fell to pieces. It needed some work. So we created this thing. We've got our, pretty much everything is custom built here at home. Got some chromoly tubing donated by Race Specialties over in Phillipsburg, New Jersey. That's Randy Ditzel and Half Scale Dragsters, the guy who started all the junior dragsters. Got our Fox, apparently Arctic Cat DXT 550 shocks, though Fox kind of is a little clueless on them as Arctic Cat. So, but they're fully rebuilt. Got our Yerf steering rack from BMI. We got our Yerf Spiderbox steering column from BMI. Got some Chinese offset wheels because my old golf cart rims hit the spindles. Had my spindle pins custom made by Frank Nestor at High Performance Vehicle Engineering right down in Easton. Guy does some pretty amazing work for race cars throughout the world. Audi, Le Mans, Indy cars. Gave me some tips, a few pointers on the setup on this thing, and I'm pretty pleased with it. This is going to be the second run of it today. That's the original Yerf front hoop tube. That right there, that piece going around. Everything else on the front end is custom made. The original Yerf pan with the center bar and the bottom tube is original, as is this top rail coming from there. Everything else, 50 foot of tubing from Pennsylvania Steel, PAsteel.com. Hey, 90 cents for a foot of 095 wall steel tubing, 1 inch. Can't go wrong with that price. That's the old Yerf top roll hoop there, turned into a Yerf Nerf bar. Thought that was pretty funny. Yerf Nerf. We got the remains of the Yerf back hoop. I cut that down. It was too short, so recreated a whole new cage for it, something that would actually stand up in a rollover. Added in a lot of extra bars. Got ourselves a Carter 2-bolt headed GY6 150cc motor with Polaris pretty in pink shocks. With the GX 150 rear end I got off a guy who got them off BMI. And put the whole thing together, and it turns out that this little 2-bolt head is a screamer than an engine. This thing flies, so I'm pretty pleased with it. Kawasaki fuel tank mounted on my little homemade wing back here. Really aero, going totally aero with that bad boy. So pretty much pretty simple stuff. Got our